Ako, ang laki ng ngiti ko lagi. Bawat nagtitaping ako, sinasabi ko kay Ate Carol sa EP ko. Ate Carol, grabe tong trabaho ko. Na-experience ko lahat ng kung ano-ano na lang. Kagabi lang, galing ako 2 days kami string sa Morong Bataan. Tsaka nag-speak. Naka-experience kong mag-drive ng speedboat, jet ski. Ano mo, nag-speedboat ako, nag-jet ski for work. Parang hindi ko ma-expect. Never in a million years maisip na it's something I would just get to do. Just like that. And yet, nakaka-experience ako bilang si Seryo. Kaya, yung mga ganong klaseng activities gives me a glimpse into Seryo's life. Na in a way, mas nagiging malapit ako sa kanya, mas nakikilala ko siya. Mas mahigit. And everything is just ang sarap na kahit against sa amin yung elements minsan kasi may bagyo, weather, gano'n, sometimes yung stuck sa location. And yet, hindi mo ramdam kasi ang sarap ng mga katrabaho mo ng grupo, from the whole unit, the crew members, the staff, the cast. Ang sarap.
Kamusta ang katrabaho si Megan?
Megan is such a pleasure and a breeze to work with. I've worked with her before, 2011, and I'm happy to say na with everything that she's achieved in her life, she still remains the same humble and down-to-earth person that I met back then. And believe ako sa kanya kasi sobrang game eh. Kahit si Direk Tom at saka lahat ng tao namin sa set, maririnig ko, grabe itong babae, ito walang arte, game. Kahit anong pinapagawa, she said, stance ganun. Kahit anong ipagawa sa kanya, she'll do it. Walang arte.
Kanina nagkita kayo ni Rika na kasama mo sa PBB. So, may time po ba na mapansin yung mga PBB housemates kayo?
I would like to sana eh. I would like to kasi they've been a special part of my life then and they'll always hold a spot there in my heart. Kaya seeing Rika again, ang sarap. My face is lit up. Kahit pagod ako galing taping ngayon, I haven't slept yet. It's like literally seeing an old friend.
Pero nagkakaroon pa ba ng reunion, yung mga dating housemates?
Minsan there was one time eh, kaso sometimes sa scheduling, every time nag-text sila, nainggit ako. Na, grabe naman kayo, di ako makasama sumakto. Now when they were doing that, I was out of the country.
Kahit ba you're still in GMA, you still watch PBB, and then you...
Hindi ako nakaka-load ng...
Dahil busy na nga eh.
Na ibang channel eh. Yung napapanood ko lang so far album.
Yun nga, having said that, ano ba yung mga efforts na nagawa mo? Na-mention mo na gumawa ka ng picture kanina ni Lola.
Yeah, ngayon lang kaso may hard drive failed on me eh. So I'm gonna start a new one. Pero gumawa ako ng mga Photoshop pictures ni Lola ni Dora.
What do you like most about the Aldop tandem?
I like the spontaneity of it. I like that it wasn't initially planned. It was something that organically nabuo na lang.
Yeah.
And ngayon, tinatanong ko si Alden, sabi ko, bro, grabe ang magaling. Ano ginagawa eh? Sabi niya, may script na kayo. Wala, bulungan lang. So, tinuin mo, bulungan lang every day they do it. And it seems so organic and feels so natural. At tatapos sa puso eh, lahat ng nanonood. And I love the interactivity of it. Kuwari, yung mga Photoshop, parang posts. Kasi it makes the viewers, like me, feel like I'm part of this phenomenon din na parang sali din ako. Na sila din, everyone who joins in it, it becomes a whole interactive thing. Sila din nararamdaman nila na they contribute in a way to such an awesome phenomenon that's happening.
So sobrang updated ka when it comes to what happens talaga every day?
I try to kasi gusto ko pag nanonood ako, good vibes lang talaga eh. Walang munang eating, lalo na lunch if I don't have work. Kaya pag nagsasamba ako, even when I'm at work, just stuck to my TV, ang sarap na nanonood ka ng Itbulaga. Tapos sabay ka rin sa lunch.
There's really nothing to miss eh, no? Kasi always trending. Diba? There's really nothing to miss. Kasi
nothing to miss.
Trending.
Kung meron kang mamamiss, malalaman mo rin kasi ikukwento ng lahat.
Yeah, everybody.
Tulad kanina, kung ito sa akin, galing ako biyahe, so hindi ako nakanood na TV. Kung ito sa akin ni Nelson, lumabas na raw, may mga pinasa ko. Ha? Ano yan? Hindi ko alam yan eh. So mamaya, search ko.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tom, nag-generate lang